What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. So today is another Honda Civic video on the EM2, and we got some headlights. I'm about to drive the Civic over so we can install these headlights. They're pretty fire. I like them. I got them off of Pro Tuning. I'm gonna show y'all when I get over there, but they got like a HID kit and whatnot. But let's get to it. Boom, these are it. So as y'all can tell, they're like a black housing, like the inside's black housing, clear corner. You still got like these clear, you know what I mean? It's not like blacked out or anything with tint. Let me show y'all the back. This is the back right here. It's got like adjusters, and this is the HID kit. The ballast is in the box, but this is how it comes with, like this. These I believe are the 6K ones, so it shouldn't be too blue. Yeah, right here. So 6K right there. So not too bad, you know what I mean? Honda style, we out here. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna tell y'all, you have to take the bumper off in order to take these headlights off. So I'm gonna tell y'all real quick how to do that. So up top here, you pop the hood. You got pins right here. Usually there's one here. Usually there's two here, and then there's another one here. So you pop these out. Then after those, you can come over here, and then there should be like a bolt or a pin right here. Hopefully y'all can see that, but there's like a nut. It's a little nut right here. There's one on each side right here, and then under there's a few also. So you can see like there's that pin right there that comes out. There's probably, let me see where else. There should be one there, a nut right there. So there's a bunch of these. I'm gonna find out real quick if they're 8 or 10s, but there's probably like 5 under here you take out also. Yeah, there's a bunch like under 2, so there's like probably 5 of them. Let me find out real quick, but after that this bumper should come off. Alright, I just want to show you all real quick what I use to take off the bumper and basically take off the headlights. So if you got yourself a 3/8 ratchet, 8mm, 10mm socket, these are really for the headlights. Extension will help out, short and long extension. And then the flatheads right here and the screwdrivers, these are for like the pins. And then when you go under the bumper, you might catch some like screws that have the Phillips head like this. So this is all I basically used. All right, y'all, let's do it. Alright, y'all, so for the headlight, let's see, there's this 10mm bolt right here, there's this 10mm bolt right here, there's that 10mm bolt right there. There's the top one and the bottom one. The top one is what puts the headlight on the bracket, but I would just take off the bottom one so the whole assembly comes off. Ooh, so I did forget one bolt, and it's actually right here. Screwdriver or 10mm should be good. Then after this should come out. Ta-da! So then obviously when you take it out, just disconnect all the connectors. Should be these 3 unless you got some crazy setup going on. And then that's it. And also, before I forget, right here, these are the ballast that it comes with, HIDs. These are how they are each side. Doesn't really have a brand or anything, but it should be okay. If you want to pause it and read what this says, go ahead, it's fine. But yeah, these are the connections right here. Pretty much should be plug and play. It does come with instructions. Actually, these aren't even instructions. Well, who reads these anyways? Alright, so one thing I do suggest about this whole install, or just like putting HID kit headlights on before you bolt anything on, is test it out. Add these connectors first. You could put the headlight there, but don't tighten all the bolts down and whatnot, because if something's not right, then the light won't go on, then you got to take it back all off. So connect these connectors all, make sure it works, everything goes where it goes. Sometimes if you put one switch here and the other switch here, it really should be the other way, so that's the reason why it might not come on. But if everything's pretty much plug and play, then it should be good. So I suggest y'all do that first before bolting anything tight. And also, y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe these right here that look like this, these are the adjusters, like up and down where your headlight points. So when you get time at night, if you can adjust them a little bit, not crazy high, but like a medium, little low right there, you'll be good. Alright y'all, so this is why I say connect all this stuff before you bolt anything on, because this HID is not working for some reason, right? So I have this ballast, right? I connected it right there. The way it's supposed to be. And then right here, right? You can see on this switch, there's right there in the middle, it's like a plus and minus sign. So I got it right here, you know what I mean? And you can kind of tell because when you clip this on right here, this latches onto this little piece right here. So you end up looking like that, but the HID is not on. But watch what happens when I switch this. So you see now I switched it, see that pin is on that side, but it's on, it's done bright. I don't get it, yo, I really don't. I don't get it. It's just, that's kind of weird. But I'm gonna rock with it like this. Hopefully maybe I might put something so it keeps on that plug, so it just stays on. Hopefully it don't catch on fire and blow up on me. But this is the only way I found that it works, so it's kind of odd. You can see right here I had like another ballast just lying around, and I did it on this one. Like it has a similar connection right there. This is when I used to have the RSX and whatnot. The pin is the same as that plug right here, and I tried it on this and it was working. The light came on, so I'm like, oh, what's wrong with the ballast? So I just switched it around and it worked. I don't know. Boom, that's it, y'all. I think y'all can see that. Those HIDs, way different than those. Those are on right there. Thinks it looks a little better. Looks pretty good. Alright, y'all, so when y'all take this headlight out, don't forget you need this bracket right here on the bottom. And it's literally just held by one bolt, which is that one I was talking about right there that faces up. And once you take that off, just put on the new one and you should be good to go. Put the whole other bumper back on. Look at that, it was broken. Yo, that's crazy, y'all. This was broken right here the whole time. Alright, y'all, that's all she wrote. You can see it from this side right here. Give you a little angle from right here. I'm gonna put them on right now, and then I'll get a little clip later at night so you see how they are at night. Yeah, this might be a better angle for y'all. It's alright, you know what I mean? Daytime. Here's another angle. I like how they're white they're not like super blue. And unfortunately that bulb right there is orange, and on this side it's white, but it's alright. I just put that orange one in so I can pass inspection. So as y'all can tell, it's daytime right now, so when it gets night outside, I'll show y'all a video how they look like. I'll probably adjust the aim a little bit, make sure they're good, not blinding people like crazy. Alright y'all, that's how the lights look like at night. That's like direct. Let me go a little bit more to the side. They're pretty bright. 6K HIDs. I believe the ballast is 55 watt. I do hope this video was helpful to anyone out there trying to install some headlights or some bulbs, anything on their EM2 Civic. I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.